Okay, there it is. We got it in there. Not exactly sure. I have the microphone on now, maybe. So there it is. We have it in there, and I'm not exactly sure what the procedure was to take it out and put it in, but I came up with something that worked. And I know one of the things that made it difficult was there's a little bracket right here that screws into the carb. So I just took the tank loose and took some plastics off and got me a little space. The two cables were a little challenging. I finally decided to work the carb out, oiled up the cables, and then put the cables back on, and then work it in there. And that seems to work. I haven't ever hooked everything up top, but I will be doing that soon, and hopefully firing it up, see how it's going to run. That's all for now.